Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pay your house bills on Bloxburg. You can either select this bit, show bills, and select pay all. Or you can, if you're in your house and you want to, well, it's easier to just do it there. Let me just, I actually don't remember where my house is. Let me just go to my house using the button because it's easier. So you can also pay your house bills using the mailbox here. So select interact and select pay bills here, and it's going to interact there. I mean, it's going to pay the bills there, but it's easier to just do it here when there's a notification telling you to pay your bills. That's how you can pay bills on Bloxburg. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is pretty much how you can pay bills on Bloxburg. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Goodbye.